Hey friends, it's Jennifer, and today I have a book review for you. So I am absolutely a knitting nerd, and so I'm hoping that you guys like book reviews. Let me know down below if you want more books reviewed. But today I'm reviewing an oldie but a goodie. This is Last Minute Knitted Gifts by Joelle Hoverson. Hoverson. Sorry, Joelle, I'm doing my best. I love this book. This is my go-to hat book, and we'll get to that in a minute. But as you see, I have a sticky in here, and this sticky lives here. It's not just for the podcast. It's not just for the review. It lives here on my bookshelf right there. Okay. Last Minute Knitted Gifts. It is a hardcover book. Right now on Amazon, it's only, I checked and it's like $13 for the hardcover. This book is a lot of fun because it's organized by how long the projects will take you. So it starts off with an introduction and a little talk about knitting and substituting yarns and that sort of thing. And then they have knitting projects that will take under 2 hours. And look at this gorgeousness. Okay, I have not knitted these, but I want to. I want to have a teeny baby girl and knit these. Oh my goodness, they're so stinking cute. These are called, what did they call them? The Angora Baby Booties, and they are under 2 hours. Okay. Next, they go to the 2 to 4 hour section. In this section, I'm going to try not to show too much. In this section, it's the hats. So this is almost set up like a hat recipe. So you can do a rolled brim. You can do a garter brim. You can do a ribbed brim. You can do little ear flaps. Look at how cute that is, the little ear flaps. That is why my sticky is in there, is an absolute go-to hat pattern. You need this. If you don't have a hat pattern, it's super simple. The decreases are actually memorizable. I've done it enough times that I could probably do it without actually looking at the pattern, but I usually have to look and see how many to cast on. Next is the 4 to 6 hour section. And in this section, look at those floor cushions. Can't you just see your kids jumping all over the place on a floor cushion that you made? Or even better, some of these in your yoga room. Yeah, 4 to 6 hours. That's not bad at all. Okay, then there's a 6 to 8 hour section. And I picked one out I wanted to show. I don't know if I can show these without showing. There we go. Okay. Look. It's a little baby stuffy. In just 6 to 8 hours. So you can knit this up pretty quickly. I have given a lot of gifts out of here for Christmas. But right now it's coming on summertime and there's just all sorts of stuff. Okay, last section is the it's got that herringbone poncho. So this one is the more than 8. So these are for the people that you really love, right? The absolutely knit-worthy loves of your life. So I want to make this. Check it out. Herringbone poncho. It's just a nice little throwover, but it's really large and really textural, and I think it's gorgeous. So something that this book has that kind of, to me, sets it apart is that it has a whole section back here on hand wrapping knit gifts. And look, it has my name. Want to knit something out of this book and send it to me, I'll take it. Anyway, so there is also a book called More Last Minute Knitted Gifts. And I have that one too, but I'll review that one on a different day because seriously, y'all, that's my hat pattern right there. I have other reviews. I'm going to link them right here. If you like book reviews, comment below and let me know what book you would like to see me review because I love books. Also, there's a link below to join our email list, and you can get a free pattern there and hear all the updates. And I will link to the last minute knitted gifts as well as more last minute knitted gifts in the description box below. Thanks, guys.